Hi guys, welcome back. So this is how you are going to be able to hide the bra or the undergarments in Claw 3D. If you're working with Claw 3D and the top you have, you need to hide the bra that comes with the avatar. So you're going to go find where the file is, and that's going to be in your Claw assets, the skin of the avatar. And then you're going to use the lasso polygon tool, the magnetic tool, and you're going to remove lost chain. You're going to remove that part of the bra, right? As you can see, you know how annoying Photoshop can be. So you're going to remove that part, and then you're going to use the clone stamp tool. You're going to use the clone stamp tool. That means that you're going to take from somewhere else and add. As you're going to see what I'm doing, yes, so you're going to use the paint from a different area, and make sure you know how to use the clone stamp tool because it can be so annoying. Yeah, that's what you say I'm doing. Like, I pick from one area, I snap one area that I need, like a same color, and then do the same. Yeah, and then I saved it, and then I realized, oh my god, I probably need to do for the trousers. So you export it as PDF, JPG, JPG. Yeah, so you save it. But ideally, I named it Naomi Braless, meaning without a bra. So I realized that I needed to also use for panties, just in case in the future, in case I have something that I don't need the panty to show. So just to do it again for you guys, again, I select that area using this magnetic tool that helps you select the area, the defined area, the area that you want to define. Yeah, like that, and then you delete that part. Press delete. Now, yeah, you're going to get back to your clone stamp tool again and do what we were doing before. Just make sure that there is no decolorization, or even though it's the undergarment, right? We want, well, ideally we'll be able to see it if you're, let's say, we're designing a swimsuit or whatever. So just make sure that the tones are a bit even and it's not so obvious, right? And that's what I'm doing here. Once everything is done, export, save like we did the first before, and I'm going to name it Naomi Nude and save it. Bam. So you go back to Claw and you're going to go to the file where we saved whatever we saved, right there at the texture of Naomi. You're going to click on Naomi, the avatar, and then you're going to go and look for the file we've saved, which is Naomi Nude, either Naomi Nude or Naomi Braless. But in this case I need braless, and boom, you can see the bra has disappeared. That's how you hide your bra. So subscribe for more, and bye.